Ever felt like your business communication is trapped in a tangled web of scattered apps and missed calls? Like you're constantly switching between platforms, losing track of conversations, and just wishing for a simpler, unified way to connect with your team and customers? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, seamless communication is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. And that's where 8x8 comes in. Now, you might have heard about 8x8, or maybe this is your first time. Either way, you're probably wondering, is it really worth the hype? Can it truly streamline my communication? And most importantly, how do I even get started? Well, you've come to the right place. Think of 8x8 as your all-in-one communication hub. It's a cloud-based platform that brings together voice, video, chat, and contact center solutions into a single, integrated system. Imagine being able to make crystal-clear calls, host professional video meetings, chat instantly with your team, and manage customer interactions, all from one place. No more juggling multiple apps, no more missed messages, just smooth, efficient communication. But why is this so important? Well, let's break it down. First, it boosts productivity. When everything is integrated, your team spends less time switching between apps and more time focusing on what matters. Second, it improves customer experience. A unified communication system allows you to respond to customer inquiries faster and more effectively, leading to happier customers. Third, it enhances collaboration. With features like team messaging and video conferencing, your team can collaborate seamlessly, regardless of their location. And finally, it scales with your business. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, 8x8 can adapt to your evolving needs. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty of creating an 8x8 account, let's address a few common concerns. Some people might think it's too complicated, too expensive, or too technical. But the truth is, 8x8 is designed to be user-friendly and scalable, offering various plans to suit different budgets and needs. And with a little guidance, setting up an account is surprisingly straightforward. So, let's get started. Grab your computer, make sure you have a stable internet connection, and let's walk through the process step by step. Step 1. Navigate to the 8x8 website. Open your web browser and go to the official 8x8 website. You can simply search for 8x8 on Google or type in the URL directly. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Get Started or Sign Up button. It's usually prominently displayed. Step 2. Choose your plan. 8x8 offers a range of plans tailored to different business needs. You'll see options like 8x8 Express, 8x8X Series, and more. Take some time to review the features and pricing of each plan. Consider your team size, communication needs, and budget. If you're unsure which plan is right for you, 8x8 often provides a comparison chart or a Help Me Choose tool. Step 3. Enter your business information. Once you've selected a plan, you'll be prompted to enter your business information. This typically includes your company name, your email address, and your phone number. Make sure to provide accurate information, as this will be used for your account setup. Step 4. Create your account credentials. Next, you'll need to create your account credentials. This includes setting a username and a strong password. Choose a password that is difficult to guess and includes a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Remember to store your credentials in a safe place. Step 5. Verify your email address. After you've created your account, 8x8 will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox and click on the verification link. This confirms your email address and activates your account. Step 6. Set up your phone number. Now you'll need to set up your phone number. You can choose to use an existing phone number or get a new one from 8x8. If you're using an existing number, you may need to go through a verification process. Step 7. Configure your settings. Once your phone number is set up, you can configure your settings. This includes setting up your voicemail, call routing, and other preferences. Take some time to explore the different settings and customize them to your needs. Step 8. Invite your team members. If you're using 8x8 for your business, you'll need to invite your team members to join your account. You can do this by entering their email addresses and sending them invitations. Step 9. Download the 8x8 app. For seamless communication across devices, download the 8x8 app on your computer and mobile devices. The app is available for Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. Step 10. Start using 8x8. Congratulations! You've successfully created your 8x8 account. Now you can start exploring the various features and tools that 8x8 offers. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the platform and experiment with different features. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.